Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a vegetarian dish. It's very tasty and super delicious. I'm going to make French beans with taro roots. I'm going to use 1 pound, peel it, wash it, then I'm going to cut into thin slices. I have a 1 pound of French beans. I already started cutting it. After cutting it, then I'm going to wash with the cold water. 1 onion, I'm going to cut the onion into thin slices. As for spices, turmeric powder, cumin powder, salt, coriander powder, garam masala, cumin seed, 1 teaspoon each, ginger, garlic, and green chili. I made a paste, 1 tablespoon. You always can substitute green chili with black pepper or red chili powder. For our tadka, I'm going to use olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. Onion, I cut into thin slices. The French bean, the green beans, cut into small, tiny pieces. Please cut into small pieces. If you cut into long pieces, there won't be any problem. Small pieces, they become more crispier and crunchier. As for taro root, I peeled it, I washed it, pat it dry, then I cut into thin slices. And in typical Punjabi, we call it Arbi. And let's start making our delicious sabzi. Get a fry pan, and I'm going to start gas, and we're going to keep gas on high. I'll bring 1 tablespoon olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, we'll bring cumin seed. This is looking good. Now I'm going to bring ginger, garlic, and chili paste. And we're going to cook it for like 10 seconds. We just need that garlicky flavor to go away. This is good enough, and I'm going to bring onion. Mix it well. And we're going to cook our onion 3 minutes. Cooking our onion for 3 minutes, this is all we need. Now I'm going to bring all the spices. Cumin powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, coriander powder, salt. Mix it well. We're going to cook like 30 seconds. Once our spices are nicely combined, this is looking good. I'm going to bring taro root, Arbi. Same time, the French bean, green bean. I'm going to bring the gas to medium, and we're going to mix it well. We always cook French bean, green beans with the potatoes. Try with Arbi, and you're going to like it. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to spread it evenly. Cover with the lid, cook it for 5 minutes. Cooking for exactly 5 minutes on medium gas. I'm going to open it. If we look at now, green beans, the French bean, they don't take that long to cook. They are nicely cooked. Taro root, Arbi takes a little longer to cook. 1 teaspoon mango powder. It's called amchur. This is the time you want to add it. It's going to bring the tangy flavor, and also if there is any slime into our Arbi, that will be no longer there. So mix it well. You can use fresh lemon juice as well. So after adding the mango powder, and we spread it evenly, and on medium gas we're going to cook additional 5 minutes. I'm going to start the fan. Altogether cooking on medium gas for 10 minutes. So after mixing it well, it's looking really nice, and if we check our taro root Arbi, and it's nicely cut through. With the open lid, we cook additional 1 minute. This is perfect. It's all done. I'm going to turn off the gas, and I'm going to dish out. I have my serving tray ready. This is very tasty and very delicious vegetarian recipe, and please try it and let me share with you. Our quick and easy delicious French bean, green beans with taro root Arbi is all ready, and it's a super delicious, super tasty. Please try this combination and you're going to like it. And like always, if you like it, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.